My vehicle's 2026 Toyota. It has the NACS port standard, so I got my adapter kit here, so I can go backwards to the old standard. This is the kit that you get with purchase. Goes in there. There's a little pin to show that it's activated. All right, so I grabbed the handle off the charger I want. It's not too bad. A little full of snow here. Let me stretch everything out and get it ready. Okay. Adapter. Make sure most of the snow's off of it here. Do it right side up, of course. There we go. Okay. Snap that in there. The cords are a little stiff because it's cold. They're really thick too. The big deal is lining this up here and pushing it in until that pin depresses so it knows it's in there. Go into my app here. So I'm on 1 and I'm on A. I'm going to start that up. It'll load up. I just do a swipe. Since my app is all set up already. It's not too long. It's relatively quick for the connect and that. Waiting for response. Figure 20-25 seconds. On the screen here on the charger, I can see the same thing. It says preparing. Still waiting. Must be cold too. Alright, it's waiting for me to connect. Probably didn't push it in hard enough. Make sure it's clean. It didn't work. Start. Confirm. There we go. Pull the cord again. If all else fails, push the button. Put the adapter in again. Make sure it's all clean. Push that in there. You can hear it click. Grab the cord again. Push that in. Alright, I'm on A. Station 1. Light's green. I hear the click for the relay to click in there. It says it's preparing. Light's a solid green. I should be good to go with the charge. There we go. It says I'm at 16%. Vehicle's not charging. It's at 67 kilowatts. It'll ramp up some. It's at 70 now. 74. Go in the car and get a status. Take my adapter here. Okay, 35 minutes into my charging session, went a little bit longer than expected, and I went higher than expected too. 86%, it's 61 kilowatts, so that's a pretty good pull still. 55 kilowatt hours fully charged, and I'm just wrapping up here, so simple process to stop. Push the button and wait. No, it's just the screen too, but holding the button. There we go. Green light's flashing. I can hear the station ramping down. There's a click. Lights off. Says I'm stopped. Oop. It's locked in place. If the adapter locks, unlock your car, and the adapter should come out right out. So steps that people forget, or they panic, don't realize, oh yeah, the lock to the car will kind of protect your adapter, which is nice. When you're done, just pull it out again, holding a button and pulling, and they're kind of snug. This is why they're going to the new standard. This is big, kind of clumsy, kind of a pain in the cold. So is this. Works just fine, but the lighter, thinner one definitely be appreciated. That's it. That's the whole process.